Welcome to your first ever piano lesson. When you look at the keyboard, the first thing you're going to notice is that some of the keys are black while the others are white. Today we're going to focus on just the black keys. You'll notice that the black keys are grouped in sets of 2 and 3. Let's play all the groups of 2 black keys. We'll start from the left going to the right, so just like this. So there's 2, another 2, feel free to pause the video and try that a few times. Once you feel comfortable, you can try the same thing on the sets of 3 black keys, like this. Now let's try something creative. We're going to make an original song using only the black keys. Your imagination is very important when playing music. So I want you to imagine a nice, beautiful, peaceful morning. The sun is rising and the birds are singing. All you can feel is the beautiful, gentle breeze flowing through the air. Now we're going to create some background music for that scene that's in your imagination. We'll do it by gently stroking any black key. Use your right hand middle finger and play one key at a time. If you have a pedal on your keyboard, you can put your foot on it and join me. Feel free to play different notes. Or you could even repeat a note if you want. So just keep your ears open, use your imagination, and enjoy every unique sound. Don't worry about whether what you're playing sounds correct or wrong. Just play. Okay, so here we go. I'll start and then feel free to join me. So I'll play with 2 hands, but you just play with 1. Let's end it. Now your fingers can float off the keys and you can put it into your lap. If you did exactly what I suggested, I bet you sounded beautiful. What we were doing is known as improvising. All the great musicians from Bach, Mozart, Beethoven, Chopin, those guys were all great improvisers. So make sure that you make a habit of improvising every single day. And when you're doing this, don't judge yourself. Thinking is the enemy of improvisation. If you want to keep practicing improvisation, I've included a backing track for you to this video so that you can play along whenever you want to. This one even has some drums and other instruments. So again, go into your imagination and play whatever you want. In the next video, which is right here, we're going to start exploring the white keys. But before you click on that link, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video if you want to continue improving your piano playing. I'll see you in the next video.